morning, guys. Today we're doing a puppet review. Yeah, I'm Andy. And I'm Patrick. And today we're doing a puppet review. Yay.
Hey, you guys! Stop taking my channel. What have I told you about this? It's mine and Alex's channel. Not yours. Yeah, so today we're going to be doing a review on... We're going to be doing a review on puppets from a company called Silly Puppets. You might have heard of them because of SML. Yeah, got the tag in. Got the dig, got the booty dig, dig.
Silly Puppets.
Yeah, so we're going to be doing a review on them today. So we got Eddie, Eddie,
yeah, it's me.
and Tommy. It's called Tommy on Amazon, but we called him Patrick because SML Patrick.
Tweet.
Go. I'm so crazy.
I'm so crazy. I think we should change the voice of them both because
can you like the voice?
listen to Eddie. Hello.
Alright, you can change the voice of that tweet. I like doing the Eddie voice because it's easy.
Hello, my name is Patrick.
Hello, Patrick. My name is Eddie.
Hello.
So we're doing a review on them today. We're doing a review on them today. Come on. So,
yeah, we're doing a review on it.
A review on Eddie for the first bit. Then after that is going to be Alex's review on Patrick. So let's begin. So my review on Silly Puppets is very high quality puppets. You know, it's still really good even after I put it in the dishwasher. No, not the in the washing machine. You're not supposed to put puppets in the washing machine.
No.
But it worked. No, I thought I said dishwasher again. I don't know why. Anyway, really high quality puppets. The only thing wrong with it is the mouth. Like, don't fully close, but that doesn't really matter. You can't. What is that? You can't really tell. Yeah. Really good puppets. They fit my hand pretty well.
By the way,
yeah.
look at how nice new wallpaper.
Wow.
That's brand new wallpaper, look.
Like this video and comment down below if you like our new wallpaper, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're on to Alex's review on these puppies. Why did you do that? Right, let's go.
I would probably rate them 5-star. Really easy to use puppets. Stick your hand in it, like that. Yeah. And it's got nice hair. It's made out of some sort of stringy rope. I like the way that they made the pants able to come off. Same with the top. I like that. And also, the mouth looks pretty realistic. And the eyes, they're made out of plastic. It's got nice old green eyes. And also, they look pretty cute, don't they?
Yeah. It's so small. Look at it, I can carry it. Like
but
a baby.
it's literally almost as small as my head. BB. He's just got his legs that aren't as small as my head. But that's our back garden back there. Is what the heck? So yeah,
This video's a mess.
I have another video. I have another 2 puppets from Silly Puppets, I think.
Do it.
Yeah. I think my dragon puppet's from Silver.
No, it's from IKEA. That's for a different video. So now, for the last part of the video, we're going to be comparing silly puppets, which cost 20 quid, to IKEA puppets, which cost like a tenner. So, let's get to the comparison. Let's get the show on the road. Right, so now we're going to be comparing IKEA puppets, like this snake and this dragon, to
I'm a dragon.
to silly puppets.
Silly puppet.
Now then.
They look really weird when they're not on your hand, though. Yeah.
So this one is pretty good, you know.
Except it hasn't got the.
Yeah, it's not got the cardboard or plywood stuff inside. Because like these are proper soft, so you can go like that with them. You can like mend them around and stuff.
When this one, do you know what I like
Yeah,
doing? Prepare to pieces out.
That's censored. Alright, I'll do it with mine.
I said prepare to pieces out.
Where did my bottom lip go?
No, where did my top lip go? You
Yeah,
can't
it's
do.
bottom lip. Yeah. You can't.
It looks happy. It looks sad. It looks happy. It's sad.
Yeah, that's how you portray.
You probably need to change your pants now. So you can't do funny stuff like that with these, though.
Yeah.
That's the sad thing about it.
Yeah, that's the only downside to buying these.
You can't like tuck the top or the bottom lip in.
Yeah,
can you?
because I have like hard stuff. Oh, what's that? Like, you see the little feathers? That is really nice. Please don't
that's
dislike
wet
the
curtains, yeah.
video.
That's wet curtains. No, it's just not on camera. It's wet curtains. No, it's not on camera. It's not on the curtains. Oh, it's just like bouncing curtains. It's well really also, even though it doesn't look like it. If you look at the front, which I'm not going to show you, so you don't need to see where I live. And also,
And also, these one's cars were outside.
yeah, my mommy. So you can see.
Alright,
the
this video's
plate on
over. Come on, Alex. We've ended the video now. Come on. Alright, just kidding.
Next video.
So if you
Next
guys.
video, we're doing a review on bouncy balls.
No, we're not. Anyway, thanks for watching this video.
Hot Wheels then. Hot
If
Wheels.
you don't like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, if you haven't already, that is, then I'm going to delete your YouTube channel, your Fortnite account, your Twitter account, your Drawception account, your Minecraft account, and then your house is going to set on fire, and then it's going to
I'm gonna come
It's
over
gonna
with my
combust.
matches and my fire.
It's gonna combust, and then a giant penguin's gonna fall on it, and then you'll become a prune, and then you'll just fall over every time you try to stand up like a baby. So yeah, don't risk it. And also you get extremely bad luck. You'll probably get struck by lightning and never win the lottery. But if you like and subscribe, then you will win the lottery every single
You'll
time.
get 4,000,000 trillion pounds.
Don't risk it. And also, you have a curse put on you. If you like and subscribe,
also,
then the
This
curse is
spider
gone.
will be on your bed.
Yeah, there'll be 3 of those in your bedroom. 2 of them will crawl in your ears. 1 of them will crawl in your mouth while you're asleep. And if you dare to wear a mask over your mouth and put earmuffs on so spiders can't get in, they'll just crawl up your
They'll go into your mask and crawl up your nose.
Yeah, don't risk it, alright? Don't risk it. Like and subscribe, and yeah.
The
Peace out.
tarantulas, by the way.
Yeah. Alright, bye guys. Come on, let's get moving. Take your puppets. There you go.
Silly puppets are worse than a cute
No,
puppet.
shut up. That's not true. Come on.
Oh,
We need brand promotion. Come on. Alright. What do you want to do now that we've made that video? Why not?
Hot Wheels.
Yeah, Hot Reels review. No, should we do a fingerboards review? Oh crap, we forgot to turn off the video.
Nah, fam, I did that on purpose. You knew it was coming. Bye, guys.